Hello guys! I am coming at you guys for a hair video. So as you can see, let me show y'all the state of my hair. Yeah, this is the state of her, right? This is a twist out from, I am going to wash my hair and I went to go find the Doux Block Party Gel because I'm really interested in trying it. But the store I went to, they didn't have it. I found something different. Stumbling through the aisles, looking at all the things that I had previously tried, and I was like, wow, do I just go back to my tried and true because that's what I know, that's what I, is my bread and butter, or do I switch it up a little bit, right? This year, along with going on a hair journey to grow my hair out because I want to do something really fun for the end of the year, I also want to try new things and try new products and stuff because that is something that I enjoy. I feel like last year I got into the habit of trying little new things for 2.5 seconds and then fell off. I intend to make a lot more content this year, as you guys can see, hopefully. I really feel like I'm really in here getting my little groove back, and I love it, But anyway, as I was scrolling through the beauty supply store, high and low, and it dawned on me, I have never tried a custard from the Doux. I've tried gel, I've tried mousse, I've tried shampoo, not a custard. So as I'm looking through, I find the beautiful, the illustrious Girl Curl. Okay, yes. So I found her. This is the Girl Honey Curl Custard. I'm gonna let y'all know what to do, we're gonna try to custard out. So yes, but before we get into this, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be a part of our village, be a part of our family, and if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked in the description below. All that being said, let's hop into the shower real quick. Just got out the shower, and hold on, let me change real quick. It says, what to do. Hydrates, protects, defines, evens the tightness, even the tightest curls with no crunch or flaky residue. What's good? It has cationic honey, aloe, vitamins B, C, and E, keratin, and silk amino acids. Okay, now it says, do you. Apply to clean, wet hair in small sections, rake through with fingers to clump curls, let dry or diffuse until 100% dry fluff is desired. Let's get into it. It doesn't say that I can't apply it with any other products or whatever, and I usually put a leave-in under custard and stuff when there's a gel, just in case the crunch is still in my hair or whatever. So it says it's not supposed to be super crunchy, but just to make sure, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my hair before I start, and then we're gonna go one product type beat. Let's talk about my hair. Look at it. She kind of giving it, right? I haven't done a wash and go since beginning of November, and I'm actually so excited. So I didn't really talk to you guys about my hair goals or anything. I really want to try hard to grow my hair out this year. I feel like it grew so much last year, and not only did it grow, the health of it drastically increased. I should have opened this before my hands were leave there. Okay, first open. Look, isn't that gorgeous? I love a custard. So I'm gonna section my hair off into 4s like I normally. But yeah, my hair goals are to grow my hair as long as I possibly can by the end of December. I took the photos that I took now to show kind of a first update. I want to see how much my hair can grow, and I'm gonna make a genuine effort. I feel like I always say that, but I always say that because I always don't do it. like in it. I'm never not happy with my hair, nothing like that. I just don't treat it like I like it or something. I also want to just like venture out and try products. I want to just start going to stores like Marshalls and TJ Maxx and just doing like random hair care routines and stuff, because I feel like that stuff I used to do and then I stopped. I usually don't use a spray bottle all the time when I do wash and goes anymore, but my hair did dry up kind of quickly. You guys know I love to say, pay attention to the directions. Like it says, apply in small sections. Okay, so now we're gonna go in super small section. If you guys have seen me do my hair before, it's the same routine of the custard. And start at the root and then go down. Okay, first impressions. I like her. I like her, look at that. I'm gonna put a little bit more just for safekeeping. And then you guys know what's next. We're going to finger coil. For me, this has been such a key to my hairstyles. All right, and then that is our first section. Initial thoughts, right? Amazing. Like, it's guiding through the hair so gently, low-key. Like, wow. The smell, even alone, is super good. One thing that I am going to be looking for with this custard is kind of something similar. I've only ever used the mousse from this line, and when I used the mousse the first time, it felt really good until it started to dry, and then it just didn't like hold for real. So I am really hoping that this holds. Yeah, I'm just really hoping that it holds. I repurposed the mousse, and that's a mousse that I started using when I do like the twist outs I was telling you guys about. And those twist outs be lasting like 3.5 weeks. I think one of them I kept in for like a month, and it probably could have lasted another week, but I'm really hoping that this lasts. You guys know my favorite product of 2025 was the Bananas Extreme Gel that the Doux made. I think that she was unmatched. So I really love this brand. Really love this brand. I love their marketing. I love their style, all that kind of stuff. I am going to go through and do the same method to all of my hair, like I told you guys, starting at the root, working our way down, and then we're gonna finger coil. So I'm just gonna time lapse because this is something, you know, that we do. I had to move outside to my room because, like I told y'all, the damn power. I don't know what's wrong with her. Anyway, the blow dryer I'm going to be using, as always, my Chi. So initial thoughts right now, I feel like, I don't know what I feel like. Honestly, y'all, I haven't pulled this blow dryer out in so long. It's looking like it's going to hold up well, but it looks like it might not. So here we go. This is what it's looking like. Right. Let me show you back. I'm gonna come back in 2 days and let y'all know how it held up. I believe it's about like 80% dry, and I'm gonna let it air dry the rest of the way because I gotta go get ready for work. But we're gonna see. I will say that it feels like the hold is a lot softer than like the Big Papa gel and like the Extreme Bananas gel. That is to be expected because, like I said, custards don't hold as much as gels. But I will say that the definition on this, she eats down, like eats down. So I'm gonna come back in 2 days and we're gonna see what it's looking like. Right now it's low-key looking like day 2 or 3 hair. If it stays like this, or even if the definition stays like this but it just gets a little bigger, I'm okay with that. So yeah, I just adjusted that piece. Now I'm not gonna touch it for the rest of today, and yeah, so we'll see.